This is the Dell Pro 2725QE 4K monitor that has a USB-C hub and has a power delivery of 90 watts and comes with a 100 Hz refresh rate. If you are looking for a budget monitor in 2025, I don't think you can go wrong with this choice. I have purchased this with my own money. Whatever I am saying is completely my personal opinion. Mainly I use with this Windows PC, also along with my Samsung phone as using DeX software. So far I have found this to be very good monitor for the price. I'll explain why it makes sense. I am Sunil here, and if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing and hit that thumbs up. It will help my channel to grow. And let's get started. Now coming to the build quality. This 27-inch 4K monitor comes with a USB-C hub. In the back, you will get joystick and the power button. Now coming back to the ports, these are all the ports. Kensington security slot. You will get a power connector, which is a standard power connector, which this has only a cable, and everything else is internally built, so you don't have to carry a power brick or something. So you will get one HDMI port, which is 2.1, and you will get the stand lock, you will get display port, you will get USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type C upstream, which also can be used as a 90 watt power delivery for your laptop, and you will get another USB 3.2 Gen Type A downstream, and you will get RJ45 Ethernet. In terms of build quality, you will get this bezel-less design that has a swivel, tilt, pivot and height adjustment, and comes with a mount, so you can mount most of the standard monitor arms. In the front you will get this nifty quick access, which will hide when you press it, right? And you will get 3.2 Gen A USB-C with 15 watt power delivery, which will be sufficient for your phone charging. Also you will get another 3.2 Gen A Type A downstream USB port. You can connect multiple monitors like this with the daisy chain option using USB-C. So this is the IPS display and has a 99% of sRGB production, and which is pretty good for the content creators and those who are looking for productivity monitor. I haven't checked this with the Mac, so I can't comment on that. My review is purely based on Windows and the Samsung DeX experience. So in terms of ports, if you compare it to the top the spec ultra sharp version, you will miss few USB-C ports, as well as the you'll also miss the 140 watt power delivery on that model. Here you will get only 90 watt power delivery. I think for most laptops this will be sufficient, but if you are looking for something more, I think that model makes sense. So coming back to the screen performance, this 4K 27-inch monitor produces 1500 contrast ratio, and the color is sRGB 99%. I have found it to be perfect for my workflow. I have used DaVinci Resolve and Adobe Lightroom and Photoshop for that application. I found this to be very good. So if you are as a Windows user, I can definitely suggest. I haven't faced any problem, but I'm not sure about the Mac. One of the other model which is competitor for this, the BenQ model, comes with the Mac compatibility, so you can consider that as well if you're a Mac user. Viewing angles are pretty good. This is a matte finish. I think some of the people are now preferring the glossy finish as well, but this one is matte finish. So the 100 Hz refresh rate is pretty good for the productivity purpose and to scroll the pages, web pages, and to browse YouTube and most of the media consumption. It is pretty good. But if you are looking for gaming, I don't think this fits your criteria. This is a mid-level for the gaming specs. I have tried few games, runs pretty good, pretty fast, and color production is really good. But if you are looking for a higher refresh rate, I think this may not be the one for you. Conclusion: for this price point, from what I have checked, this is the bang for buck for the money it costs. If you are a Windows user, definitely 100% I can recommend this for the mid-level ranges. But if you are a Mac user, do consider that BenQ Mac model. So as usual, Sunil here, and Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.